Check parts of table. Put machine in place. Connect air pipe to air compressor. Heating pad raise up by adjusting pressure. Pressure will be 0.4 MPa. Root screws out. Install A03. Follow the mark, install it. Tighten 4 screws. A03 finished. Put table in the front. As per A03 installation, install A01, A05, and A07. Install A06. Root screws. Loose 2 corners of screws. A06 follow A06 mark. Tighten A06. As per A06, install A02, A04, and A08. Install these 4 positions we saw in the video, and then tighten them. Installation finished.